Hi friends, welcome to the How To YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to create an AI talking pictures with unlimited free no watermark. I guide you step by step. So let's dive into the video. This website name and link will be found at the end of the video. Okay friends, after entering this website, you have to click on the Home button. After clicking on the Home button, you have to click on the Make a Talking Photo Video button. As soon as you click on this button, you get some pre-made AI pictures. Friends, you have to select one of them and click on the Edit button. After clicking on the Edit button, you will be taken to the Avatar editing page. On the left side of this page, you will see your avatar, and full details of the avatar on the right side. On the right side, you can change the name, resolution, background, and view mode as you want, and you will see its preview on the left side of Avatar. After View Mode is the Voice section. In the Voice section, you can select your desired voice artists. Friends, select its speed and pitch as per your wish. Friends, after selecting the voice artist, adjust his pitch and speed. After selecting the pitch and speed, you can also listen to the preview of his voice. After that, friends, save it as new. Friends, as soon as you click on the Save as New button, you will go to the Avatar page. Your avatar will be found in the Talking Photo section of the Avatar page. Guys, that's done editing Avatar. But friends, here, the question arises of how to create our talking photo. Friends, we have to click on the Home button to make our talking photo video, then click on the Make a Talking Photo Video section, and then click on Upload Talking Photo. Select an image of your choice. Friends, after the photo is uploaded, you will find it in the Make a Talking Photo Video section. Friends, click on this photo to edit it, and then click on the Edit button to edit it like we edited the previous image. After putting the edit on the page, you can name it whatever you want. Friends, change its resolution as you like, change the background, change the voice, change the view mode, and select the pitch and speed. Friends, after making all these changes, click on the Save as New button and save it as new. Friends, you will find this picture on the Avatar page in the My Avatar section of the Taking Photo section. Friends, we have made our custom avatar, but now we have to make a video out of it. For that, click on Create Video. After clicking on Create Video, a page like this will open in front of you. Friends, click on the Avatar button on the left side of this page. Then click on Talking Photo in My Avatar. Select your avatar. You will see your app in the center of this page. At the top of this page, you will see a small circle. Click on it and select its background. You will see a small box next to the circle, and by clicking on it, you can select Portrait or Landscape for your video. Then go to the bottom of this page. Here you can see your avatar in a timeline. Above this timeline, you will see a text script option, and there you will also see a script. Friends, inside the test script, you will see the script starting from Welcome, which you have to delete, and paste a script of your choice in its place. You can listen to your pasted script as audio by pressing the play button next to the timeline below. Friends, as soon as you click on the play button, a warning is shown above. This means you can only listen to the audio, and your character will not animate. Your character will animate after submitting the video. So guys, let's submit the video. So guys, to submit a video, you will see a button at the top of this page. All you have to do is click on it. So as soon as you submit the video and click on the Submit button, your video will be uploaded to the video page. Friends, you should see your video rendering in the video section. Friends, after rendering the video, you can download it very easily. So friends, our video is ready. So let's see how our video looks. Friends, you can see in the video, the watermark logo of the website is visible on the right side. Friends, to remove the logo or watermark from the video, you have to open the video in a video editor. I have VN Video Editor, which you can easily get from Play Store. You have to open your video in VN Video Editor and replace the watermark with your channel logo or any logo and export the video. In this way, friends, the watermark of the website will be removed from the video. Friends, if you like the video, Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and comment. And yes, website name is Hagen.ai. After uploading to this website, you can make a 1-minute video absolutely free.